Hey there, fellow travelers! Today, we're diving into the world of practicality, unpacking 15 travel gadgets that are not just cool, but downright essential. Whether you're gearing up for your first getaway or you've earned your stripes as a globetrotter, these gadgets are the real deal. From smart luggage to ingenious solutions for on-the-go comfort, we've got your travel checklist covered. So if you're gearing up for your next adventure and wondering what gadgets will truly make a difference, you're in the right place. Welcome to 15 travel gadgets you will actually need. Let's make your next journey unforgettable. Number 1. Smart luggage solutions. Imagine a suitcase with built-in tracking and weighing, remote locking, USB chargers, batteries, Wi-Fi hotspots, or other convenient features. Smart luggage is becoming more refined by the day, and it's a matter of seeing which bag suits your needs best. Of course, you'll have to remove ejectable batteries to comply with regulations for checked luggage. If you're not sold on a smart bag, a separate digital luggage scale is a must to ensure your bags aren't overweight, which attracts unnecessary fees. Number 2. Travel pillow. Long-haul flights and extended train rides can be uncomfortable, especially for sleep. Travel pillows offer crucial support, preventing unintentional nodding. Opt for lightweight and flexible options, especially for side sleepers. Airlines provide blankets, but alternatives like weighted blankets for nervous flyers or versatile, soft options that double as scarves are available. Choose a machine-washable one for convenience. Number 3. Noise-canceling earbuds. Revolutionize your entertainment and boost productivity with noise-canceling earbuds, the pinnacle of technological companionship. Immerse yourself in a world of undisturbed relaxation or focused work as these earbuds snugly fit, ensuring impeccable sound quality. Designed for comfort and performance, these earbuds are your gateway to an audio experience that transcends boundaries. Elevate every moment with a symphony of clarity and tranquility, making these earbuds an essential addition to your daily routine. Number 4. Power banks. Planes on long-haul flights often include areas near your meal tray where you can plug in a device for charging. But a slim power bank is the solution if your devices charge too slowly while plugged in or the connection impedes movement. Universal adapters help your gadgets fit into various electrical outlets and are a must-have to keep your devices juiced wherever you are. Number 5. Sanitizer wands. If you're anything like us, you're probably grossed out by the speed at which airlines refresh aircraft between flights. Your preferred hand sanitizer or germ-busting wipes will make you feel more at ease in your little corner of the plane. Portable UV sanitizers do a similar job but are more expensive. They combat infectious bacteria, viruses, and fungi and can sterilize phones, toothbrushes, and shoes by using UVC light to damage the genetic material of microbes. Avoid exposure to skin and eyes. Number 6. Tech organizers. Compact and protective travel cases with pockets and straps can organize your cables and electronic accessories for easy access and device longevity. Without one, you can misplace small gadgets like dongles, end up with tangled and stretched cords, and feel like you're dealing with an e-mess at your destination. When you're packing your carry-on, you may want to put your toiletries into a transparent bag to speed up the process to airport security. Number 7. GPS trackers. Avoid the stress of lost luggage during your travels. Pop a tracker in your suitcase for peace of mind. GPS trackers use cell networks, while Bluetooth trackers work with an app, updating you on your luggage's location before the airline can. Easy setup, accuracy, and added security. The best trackers have you covered. Consider RFID blocking accessories to protect your cards from stealthy scans. Travel smart, stay secure. Number 8. Travel keyboard. Is productivity on the go with temporary setups important to you? Turn just about anywhere into an office with a slim foldable keyboard and compact external mouse. The mouse should have quiet clicks, be able to track on various surfaces such as granite, glass, wood, and rugs, and be small enough to fit on an airplane tray. Number 9. Travel-sized mouse. When you're constantly on the move, a wireless mouse can be a game changer for your productivity and comfort. Unlike traditional wired mice, wireless mice offer unparalleled freedom and flexibility, allowing you to work efficiently in any setting, be it a cramped airplane tray table or a bustling cafe. They eliminate the hassle of tangled cords, fit easily into any bag, and pair seamlessly with your devices. Whether you're a digital nomad, a business traveler, or just someone who likes to stay productive on the go, a wireless mouse is an essential tool in your tech arsenal. Number 10. Headphones for children. Safeguard your child's auditory experience with kids' headphones designed to dim ambient noise and restrict volume levels for ear safety. User-friendly and lightweight, these headphones prioritize comfort for little ones. Ensuring a secure fit, they guarantee an enjoyable audio journey without compromising on safety. Invest in headphones that not only provide quality sound, but also prioritize the well-being and comfort of your child, making every listening experience both delightful and secure. Number 11. Portable gimbal. Enhance your mobile photography with clip-on lenses for wide angles and stunning perspectives. Durable and travel-ready, these lenses elevate your visuals on phones, tablets, and laptops. For professional-looking videos, a portable gimbal is a game-changer. Stabilize your shots, eliminate shakiness, and achieve smoother panning and tilts. Lightweight, foldable, and equipped with built-in tripods, portable gimbals are a must for cinematic captures on the go. Number 12. Mini diffuser. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, creating a personal oasis wherever you are can be a game changer for your well-being. Mini diffusers are the perfect solution to bring tranquility to your surroundings, whether at home, in the office, or even while traveling. Compact and portable, these diffusers are designed to fit into small spaces, effortlessly infusing them with your favorite essential oils. They help create a calming atmosphere, reducing stress and improving air quality. Ideal for those seeking a touch of relaxation in their busy lives, mini diffusers offer a simple yet effective way to enhance your environment, promoting a sense of peace and rejuvenation. Number 13. Bluetooth sleeping mask. Keen on mimicking your at-home pre-sleep routine or creating enhanced conditions for slumber? A Bluetooth sleeping mask with earphones can draw you into a cozy, dark environment, while the built-in headphones project sleep podcasts, soothing music, or guided meditations. Number 14. Large water bottles. Stay hydrated on flights by filling a leak-proof 16-plus-ounce water bottle after airport security. Opt for double-walled stainless steel vacuum insulation to maintain the perfect temperature. Consider a collapsible bottle for easy packing. Minimize requests to flight attendants and bathroom trips by planning ahead, especially if in a window seat. Number 15. Portable solar panel. A portable solar panel is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers. It offers sustainable charging for various devices, ensuring you stay connected and powered up during camping, hiking, or any outdoor activity. And there you have it, folks. These 15 travel gadgets are the real deal. From smart luggage to comfort essentials, they're not just cool, they're must-haves for your adventures. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with your fellow explorers. Gear up, stay curious, and make your journeys unforgettable. Happy travels!